Hi, my name is Alejandra Pina and this is my project. My title of the project is Don't Melt the Ice. And my problem statement is, what is the best way to keep an ice cube from melting? My hypothesis is, if I use aluminum foil, then it will conduct heat easily because the aluminum foil reflects heat radiation. My procedures are, first wrap an ice cube with each material, then you set up a stopwatch. Don't touch the ice until the timer goes off. Next, watch what happens during the experiment. Finally, when the timer goes off, unwrap the ice. And also the materials are an ice cube, aluminum foil, styrofoam, and plastic wrap. My constant independent variables are, my independent variable is the type of insulating material. My dependent variable is the amount of time it takes for the ice cube to completely melt. The constant variable is starting time of the experiment. So this is my before picture and that's my after picture. And this is my data. This is my data from the 3 items I used. And that's my graph according to the 3 trials I did. My conclusion is styrofoam was the one that lasted the longest, so my hypothesis was wrong. My hypothesis was wrong. I thought if I use aluminum foil, it will conduct heat easily because the aluminum foil reflects heat radiation. That is why I used aluminum foil. That's why I thought aluminum foil would help the ice take longer to melt. And my application is, I can use this knowledge by knowing which material helps to keep an ice cube from melting. The investigation could be better if my hypothesis was right, and I should have used more layers and more of each material on each ice cube. Some new questions that my experiment led me to ask are, what are other materials I can insulate ice cubes? My abstract is, my hypothesis is, if I use aluminum foil, then it will conduct heat easily because the aluminum foil reflects heat radiation. That is why aluminum foil would help the ice take longer to melt, and my purpose to do the project was to find which was the best material that will insulate ice the best and keep the materials and more. And that's my bibliography.